Hello guys, so I'm here at my 2003 Honda CRV and I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with it. So a couple of days it started, it just died, it cranked but it doesn't start, so it will start a little bit and then die. So here's what's happening to it. So it has a it has power, battery is good, it crank but it doesn't start. So I tried to call my friend of mine, which is a mechanic from Asian Tire, Brooks, and then he suggested to try replace the fuel pump relay and the fuses. So let's see what will happen. So I'm here at the front passenger side, so you have to open this one, open the compartment, and then replace this one, the blue one, that is the fuel pump relay. So let's try replacing it and let's see if it will work. Just get the new one, let's put it in and let's see if it will fix the problem. Okay. So let's see. Woo! Boom! So it's an easy fix. I know it's gonna be a big problem, but boom, the car just started. So it saved me a lot of money because I don't need to tow my CRV and bring it to the mechanic. So that's it, guys. Big thanks for my friend, the mechanic from Asian Tire. He was the one who gave me the tips to replace the fuel pump relay. So if you have a Honda CRV, it crank, but battery is good, it crank, and it died. Might be a fuel pump. So the issue started a few days ago. If you start it, you have to do it 2 times or 3 times before it will start. So now I fix it. I didn't know that it's an easy fix, but of course, thanks to the mechanic who gave me the instruction. You guys, if you like the video, and just hit the like button or subscribe. So, okay, on the CRV fuel pump relay. So this car has already 334 kilometers, but it's still running. Right, bye bye.